What's up guys, it's Klaus with Superline, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make these sun-dried hoodies that we've been releasing. So this is what you're going to end up getting. So to start this whole process, we recommend you guys get the heavyweight hoodies from Superline, $30 each in store and online. And make sure you get yourself a diffuser, not a spray bottle, but a diffuser. Some other things you're gonna probably need is gonna just be bleach and water. All right guys, so now we're gonna be pouring the bleach and water inside of the diffuser. One thing you guys don't really have to worry about is the quality of bleach that you're getting. You can get your cheapest quality, you can get high quality, it's not gonna really make a difference. Another important thing is make sure that your water to bleach ratio is about 75% water, 25% bleach. It's important just because you don't want to overdo the bleach and completely stain the hoodie. You're trying to get a light wash effect on it, not a completely just bleached hoodie. Alright, so to start out, we're going to be pouring our water in here. I drew a line on this cup just to show me where the 75% mark is. It's going to be about right there. So we're just going to pour a little bit of water in here. Alright, we're about 75% water in there right now. Just turn this off. Alright, so now we're going to get that 25% bleach in here. Just enough. And like I said, make sure you get a diffuser and not your normal spray bottle, alright guys? There you go. Alright guys, so just start out by really just laying out your hoodie, making sure that everything is nice and accessible. And with your diffuser, you're going to want to stay about, I'd say, a solid foot to half a foot away from the actual hoodie itself. And we're going to be doing a kind of circle design on this. You can do it however you want, but this is how we do it here. And you just get to spraying. Alright, so now that you're done spraying your actual hoodie, you're going to want to let it sit out in the sun for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is going to be one of the most important things as well. You need the sun out in order for it to look sun-dried. So once we're done with this, we're going to flip it over and then do the back side as well, alright? Now we're going to leave this out here for another 15, and we'll be right back after we're done. Alright, so now we're going to head over to the laundromat. We're going to give this a quick wash and dry, and let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so here you have it. Front and back have been bleached. Not only is this a great way to make your brand stand out, but it's really good to elevate your brand this way because you're going to stand out way more than all the other people that are going to be selling clothes as well. So there you go, and that's everything guys.